Hey, Jeff. Hey, Tommy.
Hey, Kevin, how are you?
Kevin.
Prefabricated staircase. Boy, she's looking beautiful.
Yeah, so this is the first flight up to the landing down at the Westerly house. And you can see we have open treads here. There's 5 of these. And then where Tommy is right there, that's where a wall is. So this will lay right up against that wall. So later we'll put balusters in and a section of rail that'll die up into that wall.
Right.
So it's basically just a poplar skirt that we cut on that side, a poplar skirt on this side, and we back this up with a piece of 5/8 plywood, which acts as a stop for our drywall. So the drywall will come right down to it.
And then big, thick oak treads. That's oak?
Yep, 5/4 white oak treads.
Yeah, this is a stringerless stairway if you look at it.
Yeah, so I'm looking right through the middle. I mean, this is at least 4 feet wide. I would figure
Yeah.
there'd be 3, maybe 4 stringers in this thing.
Well, normally you'd see like a stringer, which could be a 2x10 or a 2x12, cut like a sawtooth.
Yeah.
And that would carry the weight of the stair treads and the risers, and they'd be 12 to 16 inches apart. But because of the design of this stairway, you don't need the structure in between it.
So what is the design that sort of says we don't need that?
Well, the structure is, first of all, where Jeff is, this is a wall. So this gets nailed against the wall here. On the outside part here, this is this board right here, this skirt board, is mitered in. It's thick, it's beveled and mitered into this corner with glue. And this riser right here is actually plywood. So it runs straight across, and that's going to carry the weight of the stringers and the stairs in the middle. No string.
So the skirt board is not just decorative in this case.
It's structural,
Right.
along with everything else. So there's a cleat that's plywood that's glued and nailed to the skirt board that goes against the wall. So that's nice and strong. And the same thing on the back side out here. Now this 1-inch board, as Jeff said, is going to slide in here, and it's going to get back screwed from back here. So you're not going to see any of the fasteners, and Jeff's going to screw them in on the end there also. Underneath, once the stair tread goes in, this backerboard goes in, and it gets fastened to the back side of the riser, and then gets screwed up to hold the tread down. Drop it in tight. A little more. There we go. Tight against this riser. There you go, your first piece of interior trim, and it looks pretty good.
We'll cover it up with cardboard until we get to the finish.
Yeah, you want to protect those
Protect it.
babies.
All right, thanks for your help, guys.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.